Hi guys, we are 3MS. I'm Sal.
And I'm Ali.
I'm Aaron.
Mohammed.
And we have the tripod. And Ali will explain you the first step.
The first step, we follow the direction from the Mindstorm book. Then we follow we plug in 3 motors, one for the clouds and the 2 others for the wheel.
And now Muhammad will explain you the second step.
The second step is installing the Mindstorm program on the computer. We had some issues actually because nobody has Windows, so we all have like Apple. Yeah, but this guy brought his laptop and it actually didn't work the first time, but we tried second time and thank God it's worked. Okay, and so we tried to build the program for the trouble.
And we use 4 sensors. We use the light sensor to detect any kind of black color on the test bed, and it would react accordingly. Then we had the sound sensor, like we would clap or, we do this and it would react to that.
And then we have the ultrasound sensor that estimates the distance, so it would know where to go. And then the touch sensor would give the reaction after it touched something.
Okay, so one of the issues we faced that we couldn't figure out how to plug the light sensor. If you see, let me show you. We actually plugged it and it was like it touched the ground. So we had to break it down and modify it again. And second issue that we faced that we had broken wire. So we had to tape it, and it's an issue because one time we couldn't figure out what's the issue because it didn't work one of the sensors, and it turned out that it was unblocked. Yeah. And third issue, the balance. So we had to use one of the Lego. We have to modify it again and use one of them to make it stable and higher than what it was before.
So for the fourth difficulties for us is figure out how to use the light sensors. Because for the light sensor of the robot, it isn't same as us to detect the color by looking each color, but it is detecting the brightness of the color and decide what color it is. And the last difficulties for us is we had some problem with the distance sensors because we need to estimate the crow that we don't touch it on the wall when it stops. And here is our programming. And we actually use 2 motors for the wheel to let the robot go straight and go backward. And we use the touch sensor to detect the ball. When we touch the ball, we're gonna stop. And when we clap, use the sound sensor, we're gonna activate it, the one sensor to catch the ball and move backward. And we also use the light sensor and the distance sensor at last. So we're gonna show now.
And now we'll show you the demo, and I hope it's kind of interesting.
Okay. 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 Yeah, thank you.